Hello everyone, now today we are here to do an experiment. What is the aim of this experiment? To perform and observe the reaction between the sodium sulfate and barium chloride solution, and also to identify the type of the reaction involved in it. What is happening in it? In it, we have a reaction that is a double displacement reaction. We do a reaction between the sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Okay, now in it sodium is more reactive than the barium, so that's why it displaces barium from its chloride solution and it combined with the chloride radical. Okay, that's why it formed the barium sulfate and sodium chloride solution. Okay, barium sulfates are white precipitate and sodium chloride is a clear solution that we see in our activity. Let's start the activity. To do this activity, the material required are barium chloride solution. I have prepared the aqueous barium chloride solution, sodium sulfate, aqueous solution, okay, test tube stands, beakers, stirrer. Okay, now see, this is the barium chloride solution and there is nothing at the base of the beaker. Okay, and it is colorless liquid. Okay, now next observe the sodium sulfate solution. It is also colorless solution and nothing is at the base of the beaker. Okay, now I am taking 10 ml of barium chloride solution in the beaker. I am doing this test with the beaker just for the more accuracy that I have taken the 10 ml of the barium chloride, but you can do it with the test tube also. Okay, now I am taking 10 ml of the sodium sulfate in the other beaker. This is my 10 ml sodium sulfate. Okay, now I am mixing barium chloride and sodium sulfate in one beaker. First of all, I am adding 10 ml of barium chloride in the beaker. Now in the same beaker I am adding sodium sulfate solution. Now I will stir it with the stirrer. Now I will leave this solution for 2 to 3 minutes undisturbed. Now observe the beaker where we have mixed barium chloride and sodium sulfate. After 5 minutes, see, there is a white color precipitate at the base of this beaker and a clear transparent liquid above that precipitate. Okay, initially both sodium sulfate and barium chlorides were colorless, but after mixing there is a white precipitate at the base of the beaker. These white precipitates are barium sulfate and the above clear liquid is sodium chloride solution. Okay, now what we have concluded from this activity, that if we do the reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride, then this is a double displacement reaction. Why? Because in this reactions the radicals are interchanged. Okay, so it is a double displacement reaction. It is also known as the precipitation reaction. Why? Because in this reaction white color precipitates for barium sulfate also formed. Okay, I hope this activity is clear to you and you have enjoyed it.